Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Excelling Trade, and I hope you all might have enjoyed the previous videos and you have tried it yourself as well. That is Max Payne theory video as well as the natural square video. And today, as discussed in the group, we are going to see 5 days price range breakout strategy. This is again one of the most more widely used strategy and available in the internet, and you can check in the trading tuitions website. And I think it is developed by someone, I don't know what is his name, I forgot his name, but yeah, you can check in the trading tuitions. They have given very nice explanation about how to use this. Okay, so before starting, let us see how we can what is the strategy behind this. Okay, as I told, this strategy name is trading 5 days price range breakout strategy. Let us see what is that. Okay, so to do that, you should have the 5 days data, that is historic data of past 5 days. And then the first step, you have to do high minus open price, high price minus open price. And then you have to do open minus low. You have to find minimum of the first and second step here. Okay, whatever you calculate, you have to find minimum. And out of that minimum, you have to find average value. Okay, so this is the 5 days price range average, because we are calculating the range here in this high minus open and open minus low. Okay, so once you get the average range, this is, you have to add this with the today's open price, or subtract with today's open price. Okay, so if you're subtracting, that becomes your sell. I mean, below that value, you have to sell the cash. I mean the cash script or equity. If it is above that, sorry, if the last traded price is above that open plus 5 range average value, then you have to start buying the equity. Okay, I am not sure how much this will work in the futures, but cash, I think, as per trading tuitions, they are saying it is giving good returns, and even few members in our group also said it is giving good returns. It is purely for intraday, and as well as this will be working highly for, I mean, very good for high volume and liquidity kind of stocks, and the volatility should be low for this as well. Maybe you can check out what type of charts, I mean what type of stocks matching this criteria. Like index obviously suits well in Nifty, Bank Nifty, or as well as you can go for SBA kind of stocks, Yes Bank, ICICI Bank, all those things you can choose. Okay, just I given an example. Maybe you can try it yourself. Okay, I mean this method is not mine, and you can search Google and you will find out the strategy. Okay, and the stop loss will be your, for buy the sell value will be stop loss, and for the sell the buy value will be the stop loss, and the target will be buy plus again this range, whatever the average value you get, and the target 2 it will be add this 5 PRA with target 1, and similarly it goes on T4, T5, T6, T7 as well. That up to you how much you are willing to earn. Okay, fine. So let us calculate and I mean create the screener. You can find this sheet to be downloaded in the Trading Tuitions website, but that is for, you have to do that manually, like you have to copy paste all the open low value in that, and then it will calculate it for you. But as part of this video, we are going to show how to create the screener, which means it will automatically calculate and it will show you the screener without even I mean without making any changes. Okay, so let's see that. I just opened it. Yeah, this is how the sheet will looks like in the Trading Tuitions website. So you have to do this all, copy paste this, remaining everything it will automatically calculate. Okay, so it is not needed for us now. Just close this. And for time consumption, I just created this already. This is nothing but our FNO list, stock list. If someone watching this for the first time, just refer the previous video, part 4, 5, 6 or 11, any videos where we have shown how to do this. Okay, in addition, I have taken the historic data as well. As of now, I made us a connection only, that is query. It is nothing but we have taken the historic data. Okay, and for sometimes as like if it is a weekend, right, generally the NSE website will list down the data based on the calendar week, I mean calendar days. It won't consider as a trading days. Okay, say assume that you're saying 1 week, and if you're looking for 5 days, and if the last 4 days was no trading, then you will get only 1 day data. Okay, you can take an example of what is it, from last Thursday you can take, and that was I mean last Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, all 4 days were leave. And if you would have taken for 5 week data on Monday, you might have got only 2 or 3 days data only. Okay, so to avoid that, for now we have taken 2 weeks. Okay, so it means 15 days. I mean, actually the trading days will be 10 days. I don't think there won't be continuous 5 days holidays for this. Okay, so obviously we'll get the 5 days data for that. Okay, 2 weeks you have taken, you got the data, and now you have to filter it with first 5 days. Okay, and also you can note this, the first column will be the today's date, because as per NSE website, after 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, the today's data will get added to the historic data. For example, for today, if you are going to get the historic data for one day, you will get the data for 2 days, that is today as well as the yesterday also. Okay, so don't worry about that. You can get 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we got the 5. And first step we need to do high minus open, and then we need to do open minus low. Okay, let us see here. And we don't need all this because we need open, high, low only. Remaining everything is not needed. You can just go ahead and remove that. Just select and click remove columns. Similarly, you can remove this as well. Okay, fine. And now you can select all and just change it to decimal number. It is already decimal number, it's good. Okay, and add a column that is high minus open price. Okay, fine. So this will be your high minus O, and now you are adding another column. This could be your open minus low price. Okay, so just add this, click insert, click OK. So got this data. Okay, open minus low. Okay, so what is the next step? High minus open is done, open minus low is done. So we have to find out minimum of the first and second. Okay, so okay, high minus open, open minus low. So now add a conditional column. Okay, choose column name high minus open. If it is less than, you can choose the column here. If it is less than open minus low, then you have to choose high minus open. Okay, if in case the open minus low is minimum, then we have to choose open minus low. Okay, just follow the steps. Okay, open minus low, and so that you will get open minus low here. Okay, and click OK. Okay, we got it, but for this one we are not getting data. Let us see why it is. Okay, so the reason is I didn't copy correctly. So if open minus low is less than high minus open, then we are taking open minus low. Okay, so that was a typo. So once this is done, you will get it. So you can just compare. If 13.6 is greater than 3.1, so we are taking 3.1. Similarly, 5 is lesser than 20, so we have taken 5. And you can find this. Okay, so you can make this as like range for now. Okay, and convert it into decimal number. Okay, so now we got the range. For this you have to create the average. Okay, so you can just go to statistics column and just click average. Okay, you will get the average now. Okay, and then what you can do is you can do the rounding as well. Just give round and give 2. Okay, and click OK, and then go for to table. So this will be converted as table, and you can just rename it as by PRA. PRA is nothing but price range average. Okay, great. So now we got this one, and let us go and convert this into a function. Okay, so you can convert as usual. You can convert. Okay, and you are converting this into a table. The final output will be table, and just replace the symbol. Okay, done. Okay, so it will ask for the symbol. You can just give A, B, B, or whatever it is, you can just give, and you will get this value. Okay, fine. So now let us calculate this for all the stocks. And what you can do is just go to the stock list and go to add as new query. You will get all the stocks. This is F&O stocks, and just convert it into table. And you can rename this whatever name you want. Just give symbol, and then you can add custom column. I mean, these are already covered in previous what is that videos as well. So I'm just not concentrating much on that. Okay, so get historic data symbol. So you'll get this, and maybe before moving into that, so let us add replace that M&M value. I mean, like you will get that error. So for what you'll do is you just replace it. Okay, so now this will get replaced, and once that is done, you can add the custom. So you just notice this, I have added this replace value before this added custom. Okay, so assume that if you click added custom, I mean if you are in the added custom steps, and if you are clicking replace values, it will get added as the next step, and still you will get error in this step. Okay, so for that what you have to do is just select this rename column and then add this replace value step. It will come in between this. Okay, it means you are replacing the value before adding this column. Okay, now expand this and uncheck this. Okay, you got this value. It will take 1 or 2 seconds. So you got the data. Okay, that depends on your network connection and the NSE response speed and everything. Okay, and now what you can do is just go ahead and replace it back to and simple. Okay, click OK, and you can rename this as 5 PRA or whatever you want. Okay, just fine. Just load it. It will take some time here, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and let it get loaded. Okay, so now we'll see, first we will see the buy condition, and next we will go for the sell condition. Okay, so what is the buy condition? You can type as buy above, and next one will be target 1, target 2. Let us take for target only and just give stop loss, and then you are going to check for sell below, and then target 1, target 2, and then the stop loss. Okay, stop loss for sell. Fine. So what will be the buy above condition? Open plus for your 5 PRA value. Okay, so it's going to be, let me wait for this to load, because we are going to take the data from this. Okay, so I got this data now. For all the stocks, we got the 5 PRA, that is 5. And just add this and ensure that you are disable that data load. You can just disable this, enable fast data load. Okay, the reason is a fast data load may help you load the data faster, but not necessarily. I mean, the Excel will go unresponsive, I mean not responding stage. Okay, you have to wait till it complete. I mean, you cannot do any other operation, so just keep it as unchecked, because you can use it for very less data. I mean fast retrieving data. Okay, so just name it as 5 PRA. Go here. So buy above will be open plus 5 PRA. Okay, to do that, just type a simple formula: open and plus VLOOKUP, give GRM infra, whatever it is. I mean the first column. Okay, and the table array will be 5 PRA. Okay, it is not coming. Let me see what is the data, I mean the table name what we have taken. So what you can do is you can just go to formulas and click name manager. Okay, it is coming as since we given as a number, it is coming as underscore maybe. So let us use the same thing. You can use different name and it will come automatically for you. Okay, so open plus this one, sorry, VLOOKUP GRM infra, and table will be 5 PRA, and column index column will be second column, and this is false. Okay, and just type it, overwrite all. Okay, so buy above will be 19.01. The reason is, okay, open is 18.80 and 5 PRA will be 0.21. Okay, so if you do calculator, 18.80 plus 0.21 is 19.01. Okay, so this is 19. I mean, it shows for today's data, but actually you have to check this on Monday. So whatever open on Monday, and then with that open price, automatically this will get changed. Based on that, you have to buy. Okay, so the target one is nothing but this is going to be the same thing. Just copy paste. Okay, and here instead of open, you can just give buy above. Okay, and you can type it. I mean this one. Okay, and target 2 also you can do the same thing, and here instead of buy above, just give target 1. Okay, that's it. Now let us see for sell below. Sell below is nothing but this open minus the PRA value, so just take it as minus. Okay, and you can do the override, and target 1 will be this minus this one. So open instead of open, make it as target, sorry, sell below value. Okay, it is showing something. The problem is we have chosen wrong thing. We have to choose sell below. Okay, it's already there. This is target 1, and target 2, it is based on the target 1 minus the 5 PRA. Similarly, if you are going for target 3, then it is target 2 minus that. Okay. Choosing always wrong. Yeah. So got this. Okay. For sell, the stop loss will be the buy value. So you can just type and link to this directly. Okay. And give this. And similarly for buy, the stop loss will be the sell below value, and you can just give like this. Okay, so let us see some example of something. Let's see, I'll take, you can find here. So it is buy above 976, and the target will be 981, 986. If it is below 967, it is a sell. Okay, we are almost done with this. If you want, you can just check for how much the profit it has written, whether target on and all done. You can check intraday screener video where how we have calculated target 1 and target 2 video thing. Okay, so this is pretty simple, and just go ahead and if you want, you can do the auto refresh. Just click properties and again click properties and give refresh every 1 minute. Obviously, again it will refresh every 1 minute only. So just click 1 and click OK. So this will get refresh every 1 minute, or even you can just do refresh. Okay, and this data you have to refresh every day morning, or evening is also fine, because once it this time it will come, right? So you can refresh this and save it, and the next day it can be used, or otherwise you can just go ahead and do the refresh. It will take some time, but you can do it once in a day. It is needed. Okay, that's all with this 5 days range breakout. Okay, if you want, you can add any other strategies also, like open high equal to low, or any inside bar strategy, or natural square strategy, or you can check open equal to low equal to previous close, or open high low equal to previous close. Everything you can check. Based on that, it will help you to trade well. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much. And please do subscribe to the channel, and if you have any queries, comment, and you can ask in the Telegram group as well. But please, before asking in the Telegram group, try to go through the group history messages, as well as you can check our previous videos also. Sometimes if you think something is new to you, just go through our previous videos, because we have covered from ground zero level, so it will cover all your queries in that as well. And in the group also, group history also, you can just search in the group for any error. You might get answer in the group history chat. Okay, share to your friends, subscribe to our channel, comment, and subscribe to notification as well. Thank you so much for watching. Good day. I will meet you soon with new video. Bye bye.